Welcome to Beautyistic, where skincare meets science and real-world experience. If you've been struggling with acne, you know how hard it can be to find a solution that doesn't leave your skin feeling tight and dry. Well, today we're talking about a brand that has revolutionized acne treatment, Proactiv Plus. The Proactiv Plus 3-step advanced skincare acne treatment kit promises clear skin without the dreaded dryness. But does it live up to its claims? Let's take a closer look. This 90-day acne treatment kit includes 3 key products: a Salicylic Acid Face Wash, a Benzoyl Peroxide Pore Minimizing Treatment, and a Salicylic Acid Hydrating Moisturizer. Each of these is designed to tackle acne from different angles, combining exfoliation, hydration, and bacteria control to give you clear, healthy skin. Starting with the Salicylic Acid Face Wash, it's designed to deep clean your pores, removing impurities and preventing future breakouts. Salicylic acid is a tried-and-true exfoliant, working by breaking down the debris that can clog pores and lead to acne. It helps with both prevention and skin renewal, making it a key ingredient in acne care. Next up, the Benzoyl Peroxide Pore Minimizing Treatment. Benzoyl peroxide is a powerhouse ingredient for fighting acne-causing bacteria, and it's known for reducing inflammation and redness. This treatment is meant to minimize pores and keep your skin smooth, helping to prevent future flare-ups. For many, benzoyl peroxide is a vital part of their acne-fighting arsenal because of its deep-reaching bacteria-fighting power. Finally, we have the Salicylic Acid Hydrating Moisturizer. While acne treatments can often leave skin feeling dry and tight, this moisturizer promises to hydrate while continuing to fight acne. The inclusion of a botanical brightening blend and a moisturizing complex is meant to keep your skin from feeling stripped, which can sometimes be the downside of more aggressive acne treatments. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I've been using this system for several weeks now, and while I can't say it completely cleared up my skin overnight, let's be real, acne treatment takes time, I did notice a visible improvement. My breakouts became less frequent, and the overall texture of my skin was smoother. I really appreciated how the moisturizer didn't leave my skin feeling overly greasy or dry, which is often the case with acne treatments. However, the benzoyl peroxide treatment can be a little strong for sensitive skin types, and I had to make sure to use it sparingly, especially in areas where my skin is more delicate. That said, when used properly, the system really does work to manage breakouts without making your skin feel like the Sahara Desert. Let's go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, the products are gentle enough for daily use and have been formulated for all skin types, even teens and adults. The inclusion of salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide is a bonus for those struggling with acne, as it targets the root causes of breakouts. Also, I love that the moisturizer keeps my skin feeling hydrated instead of dry and flaky. On the flip side, if you have sensitive skin, you may find the benzoyl peroxide treatment a bit harsh, especially if you over-apply. Also, the price tag is a bit higher compared to other acne treatment systems, so it's important to assess whether the value matches the cost for your skincare needs. Is this system worth the price? In my opinion, yes, but only if you've tried other over-the-counter treatments that didn't work for you, and you're ready to invest in a more comprehensive solution. It's not the cheapest acne treatment kit out there, but considering the high-quality ingredients and the fact that it addresses multiple acne concerns, exfoliation, bacteria control, and hydration, it can be seen as a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are similar acne treatment kits available that contain salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, but they often lack the moisturizing complex, which is what sets Proactiv Plus apart. Some cheaper alternatives might not be as gentle on the skin and could leave you feeling drier, so keep that in mind when shopping around. As for build quality, the packaging is pretty standard for acne treatment kits, and I found it convenient for daily use. The bottles are easy to squeeze, and each product is the right size for long-term use. I also haven't noticed any significant changes in the products over time, as they're still performing well after weeks of use. Finally, a quick word on customer support. I haven't personally needed to reach out to Proactiv, but the brand is known for having a responsive support team and offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you can shop with confidence if you're unsure. So, would I recommend the Proactiv Plus 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit? Absolutely, especially for those who need a multi-step treatment to target acne from every angle. It's gentle, effective, and offers hydration while tackling acne. Just be cautious if you have super sensitive skin, and always start slowly to avoid irritation. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used Proactiv Plus before, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. We love hearing your thoughts.